Hi there! In this video we'll have a look at how to set up delivery times for our products. We'll start by going into the menu Catalogs, Products and select the product we would like to edit. We'll stay right here in the Products General tab and scroll down all the way to Stock and Deliverability. For delivery time, our product already has a setting, 1 to 3 days. By clicking on it, we could select another preset. But let's assume that none of the presets work for our product and we need a new one. We can set up a new delivery time by going into the menu Settings, Shop, Delivery Times. As we might have noticed, this contains all the options we saw in the previous drop-down menu. This is because the delivery times available in a product are the presets we set up here. We could either edit an existing preset simply by clicking on it, or add a completely new one with the button up here, Add Delivery Time, which is what we are going to do. First off, we're going to need to name it. This name only shows up in the admin panel. For example, the drop-down menu we saw previously and is intended for ourselves. The customer is not going to see it. We'll name it 5 to 7 days. The next option allows us to select a unit. We have everything from hours to years. We'll choose days. The two options below concern the minimum and maximum of the selected unit. As we want 5 to 7 days, we'll enter 5 for minimum and 7 for maximum. Afterwards, we'll save. Moving back out of the menu, we can see that our delivery time is now listed up here. So let's go back to our product, scroll down to Deliverability, and select our new option in the drop-down menu. Afterwards, we'll save the product again, and we're done. Before we take a look at the result in our storefront, one more option regarding delivery times that is worth mentioning is found in Settings, Shop, Cart Settings. The option right here, Show Delivery Time in Cart, is a nice little feature that tells our customers when the delivery would occur if they ordered right now. So let's set that to active and then check out our storefront. Right here in the product's detail view, we can see that our new delivery time, 5 to 7 days, is now shown. When we add the product to our cart, Shopware also tells us when the delivery would occur based on the delivery time we set and the current date, making it more convenient for our customers, particularly if we have longer delivery times. And with this, we conclude the video about delivery times.